Buddy, it's us again, Natasha.
And Shofar, peace, y'all.
Hello, hello. We're going to talk about our upcoming workshop, Abundance is a Balance. And people get so into worrying about money or chasing money. And, when we say abundance, people think of money, but abundance is so much bigger than that. Abundance is the flow of energy in your life. And I work with a lot of really stressed executives, and they have worked really hard to build this financial foundation, and they're supporting sometimes all of these different families and their business underneath them. And in the process, they lose their health, or they lose their marriage or their relationship. They neglected those areas to feed into this area. And that's not true abundance. True abundance is wealth and friendship, wealth and health being the foundation of everything in our life, everything we do, because it's our energy, and then nutrition being that foundation of health. I don't know. What do you think, Shofar, being the energy person that you are? What do you think about all this?
I agree with you. And I think one of the big things about abundance for me is like time. And, I have an acronym on that time, 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 intimacy, money, and energy. And I feel like having a balance between these things for myself is what I would call abundance. It's like I don't want any one of those four areas to be too out of, and I think we live in a unconscious machine culture where there's definitely an emphasis a lot of times put on one part of life that then negates or neglects other parts of our life. And really what we're being asked to do now at this time, and what we're trying to share as well, is like how to do all of them, because they're all important.
They're all important. And how do we get them into a place where we can actually feel more joy and pleasure in life? Because that is abundance. We're here with these five senses and this beautiful planet and this warm ocean and beautiful sunshine and beautiful foods and beautiful humans, and we're meant to touch, taste, feel. And that to me is true abundance. And if we were tapped in and aware of that opportunity every day and stop chasing the things that aren't going to matter when we're laying on our deathbed, I think we could have such a more loving, happy, healthy planet.
Amen. I agree. It's like, how can we devoid maybe sometimes of the hard life lessons? How can we in this moment, and maybe you've already had those lessons, but how can we one way or the other still come to the same place and treat life with that sacredness, like as if you knew how many more heartbeats and breaths you had, and if it wasn't a lot, we might act different. We should always treat life that way, and that to me is when we're gonna feel most abundant.
I really appreciate you saying that, Shofar, because I think you, more than anyone I know, probably are just so good at treating life so sacredly. And just being in your presence inspires that in me. So I thank you for that. And I am so excited for everyone to join us and to have that, to be in that energy and to really just feel this concept and learn more about how to bring it out into their lives so that each day becomes more and more sacred, more and more abundant in the ways that they most want. We will see you all soon. Register with the link. Also, if you register, you can get access. If you show up, register, you show up with me and show. You get a free recording. I'm going to give it to you for free. A recording I did, a hypnosis recording for abundance. It was a really lovely group session that we did. So register and you get that as well to work with your subconscious mind. All right. See you all soon.